Hello friends, today we will discuss how to pick random numbers by the option of users. First, give a checkbox, text box here, and now give a button here. Now I will rename the text enter. Yes. Now first font bold and font italic, font size 25, and now go in blocks and take a variable. I will rename the variable to number. Now, what is variable? A variable is a value or any number, text, or an option of dictionary, logic, colors, list, anything. Okay, now this is an initialized global number. Means this is a variable that is initialized to global. Means now we can use it anywhere on our coding screen. Okay, so we can initialize global to anything, any name. Like I have done it number, you can also give it your name, but the value by which you have given the variable will be same. Now I want the variable to 0 and one more variable that will be I want user and get text box dot text here. यहाँ पे textbox1 dot text. ठीक है, उसके बाद take maths and go and take any. Here is an option random integer. Take it here, go in, when button 1 click. Now we have missed one thing in designer. What? We have to take a label here, and label font size should be 50. I give it 50 so user can see it clearly. Now text should be, I will do it 0 so we can make it anything. Now label1 dot text. Now we have to take label1 dot text. But if you don't take any time, if you have some problem to take it very fast, you can also take this. Now font size, you can take text anything you want. Now I have done it text random integer. This one should be 0 and 2 should be get user. and 0 also deleted. We will get global number because we have taken a number initialized to 0. Now our app has been created. Now if you will test by connecting here and AI companion, and then your mobile phone should have Wi-Fi to connect it. Now your app will be tested by you. Thank you.